Ready for the fastest bite in the animal kingdom? Meet the trapjaw ant. The trapjaw ant has jaws that snap shut at an incredible speed of 140 miles per hour, faster than a blink of an eye. This lightning-fast jaw movement is not only used to capture prey, but it can also launch the ant into the air to escape danger. With its powerful bite, the trapjaw ant can defend itself and its colony in the blink of an eye. So the next time you think quick reflexes are key to survival, remember, the trapjaw ant's speed sets the bar. In the world of fast and fierce, these ants are the true champions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.